We're going to be making some Afang soup. We're making fresh food Afang soup, or we can say seafood Afang soup. The ingredients we're going to be needing for this recipe. So here we've got our spinach chopped, Afang or okazi leaves washed, blended, mackerel fish washed and chopped, 1.5 cups of palm oil, some crabs, let's say about 350 grams, 125 grams of squid, 125 grams of prawns, 125 grams of mussel, 1 cup of crayfish powder, 5 scotch bonnet chopped, 1 teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, 2 bouillon cubes, 1 teaspoon of salt. Here are the ingredients we're going to be using for this recipe. The first thing is to heat up our pot. Then you add about 1 cup of palm oil and heat the oil for roughly 1 minute. Place the mackerel fish piece by piece into the heated oil and fry for roughly 5 minutes until slightly brown on both sides. We will be cooking on medium to low heat. Once the fish is fried, we're going to add prawns, squid, mussel and crab. Whatever meat you prefer, you're going to add this to the pot right now. Give it a quick stir to incorporate with the oil. Then we're going to season the fish with some seasoning cubes. I'm using Knorr, salt, Cameroon pepper for the strong flavor, crayfish, and give it a stir. Slightly cover the pot and cook for 3 minutes. This helps to infuse the seasoning with the seafood. Add the chopped spinach and give it a gentle stir to avoid the fish breaking and also to fully coat the vegetable with the sauce. For color and extra heat, we're going to add the chopped bonnet or fresh pepper as we call it in Nigeria and some more crayfish. Crayfish helps to thicken the soup. Give it a stir. We will cover the pot partly and let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes. This will help draw out the water from the spinach or water leaf depending on which one you use it. Give it a stir. Add your processed Afang, basically your blended Afang, and mix it with a stir. Don't forget to taste for salt and add if required. I will be adding about half a teaspoon of salt to the sauce and also half a cup of palm oil for an extra shine. Palm oil differs with countries, so add as much or as little as required. Stir to incorporate the flavors and simmer for about 5 minutes, partly covered. Don't forget we're cooking on medium to low heat. Turn off the heat and serve. What do you think is best paired with this meal? I think some cauliflower swallow would do me right now, or if I'm gonna take it real deep, some stinking fufu will be best for this. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Also, if you made this recipe, tag me with my hashtag Elsu and I'll definitely repost you on my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, and stay blessed.